Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2008 Acura Mdx Oil Light. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, then use the dashboard select button to find the maintenance or oil life display. Once the oil life screen is visible, press and hold the select/reset button for several seconds until the display reads 100%, then release and confirm the light is off before driving. Start by finding the select or reset button near your speedometer or on the end of the turn signal stalk. With the ignition on, press the button repeatedly to scroll to the oil life or maintenance message. When that screen appears, press and hold the same button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the display changes to 100% or shows a reset confirmation. Then release and verify the oil light has turned off. If the first attempt does not clear the oil light, power off the vehicle and try again from the on position without starting the engine. Check battery voltage if the instrument cluster acts sluggish, and confirm the oil level is within spec using the dipstick. If the light returns immediately after reset, you may have a faulty sensor or overdue service, so address oil condition and sensor function before relying on the reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.